Hello, beautiful people. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. God bless every one of you, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. It's another beautiful day, and we are here with beautiful short hairstyles that will motivate you to go for the big job. So if you're still having your long hair and you really want to go for the big job and you're confused, like the kind of style that will fit your face or the kind of style that will suit your complexion, please, you are in the right place, because here in Wendy Styles we have diversities of styles, from the teeny weeny afro, the pixie cut, the bald for the lovers of bald, to no hair, for those that love the boys cut. This haircut today is for you, and here in Wendy Styles we're here to promote short hairstyles and to let you guys know that short hairstyles will always make you look unique and gorgeous and sophisticated. So I want you guys to please watch this video to the end, because we have highlighted about 20 short hairstyles that will suit your personal style. These are versatile haircuts that are easy to style, and it's a wash and go style that will not take many years, that will not take much time in front of the mirror. So this beautiful haircut is a low maintenance style that will suit all ages. So I always recommend the right cream to use. So if you're having the bad, or you have the teeny weeny afro or the pixies, we have different products for you to use that will suit your hair texture, and those styles definitely will really make you look gorgeous. So you can check in my description box, like where you can get the link. Like we have the MIELLE product. The MIELLE product comes in different creams, like leave-in conditioner, it has the shampoos, it has a coil defining cream, it have other products, other creams and shampoo and the activators you can use both for your, if you have a longer hair. So but we are concentrating more for the creams on short hair that will give it this kind of bouncing defining coils that will always accentuate your face and give you that beautiful look you want. And the one thing with this mirror, it costs for about $7 to $20. Is something you can get online, or you can get in any shop around you. We also have the Dokes, we have the coil sauce. We have many products for you to use, whether it's a pixie like this, whether it's a top hat or body. There are different products for you to try that will not take much money from you, just to use the right product for you to achieve this beautiful course online. And we also have the link of the barbers too, where you can link them, to chat them up and know where they are, for them to come to barb you, or you go to them to give you those beautiful styles you are seeing. Or sometimes go to my other videos on this channel, you will see how you can do it yourself at home. We have many DIY videos for teeny weeny afros, for the white creams to use, and how you can style yourself and achieve the fine coils by yourself, all alone in your home, without breaking the bank or without stressing yourself in front of the mirror. So we have them in this channel. So your first time on this channel, subscribe and always hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. You have any questions, let us know in the comment section below. And for those asking of my location, everybody's asking location of the stylist, I've always referred them to the description box. There you're going to see the links to these guys that you always see that give these beautiful women, like the Cocos, Antonio, the Ferdinand, and many of them. So you'll get their links on how you can achieve those haircuts if you really cannot do it at home. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys. Stay locked to Wendy Styles, because there are more beautiful short hairstyles coming your way in the next few hours. Bye for now.